Let's make some butter chicken. First off, we're going to cut up our chicken into cubes and make the first marinade with half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and salt for 20 minutes. No, not like Jamie Oliver's butter chicken, which apparently doesn't even use butter, but an Indian restaurant classic for people like me who can't handle their spice very well. Ensure to finely mince your garlic and ginger and de-seed your chilies. We'll then prepare our second marinade with 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/3 cup of hung-curd Greek yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric, cumin, coriander, and fenugreek leaves. Mix together and set aside for 30 minutes. Butter chicken apparently originated back in India during the 1900s in Delhi by the Moti Mahal restaurant. Once your onions are done sauteing, combine with 1 can of crushed tomatoes, as well as 1/3 cup of heavy cream and blenderize. Put in 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter into a pan and saute until all the raw taste leaves the chilies. Combine with your sauce and cover for 10 minutes until all of the oil comes out. Take out your chicken and add another tablespoon of butter and fry until cooked. Combine this mixture together with your sauce and add in another 1/3 cup of heavy cream. And voila! Delicious butter chicken!